Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to send crypto from your Bitget wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the Bitget Wallet Chrome extension. Do note that you can also do the same from your mobile application as well. Right now, all we want to do is send some crypto. So I'm simply gonna click on this send button right here. Well, once you do, from here, all you guys need to do is select the token that you wish to send. Do note that you can simply search for it from the search bar, else simply scroll down. Let's say I want to send some Bitcoin, so I'm gonna click on it right now. Now once you've done that, all you need to do is enter the receiving address right here and the transfer amount. Once you've done that, simply hit on next and give your confirmation. Well guys, that is it. But do remember that you enter the correct receiving address, else there will be lots of problems. And guys, that is it. That is how you send crypto from the Bitget wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.